We granted about 10 different schools or agencies money working on the PSEO side. And for those who aren't familiar, the post-secondary enrollment option is great. It doesn't reach all of our native students. It reaches juniors and seniors in good academic standing, who tend to be the go-getters, and it's worth reaching them. In fact, if you want to recruit someone into the teaching profession, that's a great place to work, right? At the same time, that will not circumvent a district meeting its mandate for all of their American Indian students just by reaching high-performing juniors and seniors, right, through that option. So there's no way to supplant actually building stuff in each of the districts, but it is a tool in the toolbox, and the tech stuff is making it easier to do cooperative efforts and to reach one another across space and time. We were actually doing interactive, they called it ITV, interactive TV. As a modality, that's all archaic now. And I think especially after the pandemic, a lot of people are familiar with Zoom Classroom, but it will keep evolving. I mean, there may be a hologram of Wagosh in your classroom at some point, like who knows? And so I think it's worth looking at whatever the tech is, but it takes all the things. And there's no way to get around like somebody directly interacting with folks, especially around things like a language, is highly interactive. And so you got to work on listening, speaking, interpretive language, presentational language. And we are social creatures. And look what happened when we sent all the kids home during the pandemic and they came back and are throwing chairs in the lunchroom. And we need all the things.